Hey friends, I'm just trying to build the floating shelf on this particular wall. So this is the frame for this shelf. So this will be inside, all right. So this frame will not be visible in the outside. So you can see this is a very basic and very raw type of frame where I haven't used any glue, just by a screw. Here you can see two screws going into this part, which is fitted to the wall. Okay, so now this guy is the actual shelf which will go like this. Okay, so I'll make another video, okay, after I finish it, but this is how it will go. And just hold on, yes. Okay, so this is how it will go in. Okay, right, so there will be one wood piece here, so that like the frame inside cannot be visible. And fitting into the frame, right, so that this guy doesn't come out, so I need to screw this into the frame. Okay, so this is how a floating shelf is usually made. Okay, see you next time. Welcome back. So here is the almost completed floating shelf. So the frame is now not visible from outside, and so this is the outside casing. Okay, so now I still have to screw it to the frame. Okay, so that part is left, and my plan is I'll apply putty on top of it, sand it, and give it a color. Okay.